Is it possible to make 20,000 using candlestick psychology combined with gaps? In this video, I'm gonna show you the cons and pros of this strategy. Make sure you watch the entire video. There will be multiple pro tips for you to enhance your win rate, whether you are a beginner or experienced trader. For the chart settings, I'm gonna use 1 minute Japanese candles, okay? And I'm also gonna select 1 minute time interval, okay? I'm not gonna use flag mode. I'm gonna use only 1 minute, and yeah, let's find some beautiful opportunity. Okay, I'm taking a sell right here for 2, and the reason why I took this one, guys, if you look very clearly, you can see that this is a engulfing candle, okay? And we know that with engulfing candle, the price can continue going the same direction. Plus there was a breakaway gap here. If you notice the gap, the candle right here, the price didn't start at the exact closing of this previous candle, so that means it is a breakaway gap, okay? Because it start at a different level. All right, it start lower instead of higher. If it was higher, we will call that a inside gap. So let's wait for this trade to close right here. Yeah, let's see if we are with the trend. Yes, we are with the trend, so we are expecting the price to close in our direction. Let's see what's gonna happen here, guys. Come on. Beautiful. Okay, if you guys pay attention here, this is a solid engulfing candle, right? And the engulfing candle occur right after it break a small range going on right there, okay? And this is what happens in trading, guys. You have to learn how to take advantage of the tendency in the market. If you see that a range is broken and stuff like that, and then you have your other reasons and stuff, then you can go with that direction. But at the end of the day, guys, you need to learn candlestick psychology. It's the key foundation of everything. Let me tell you something. Even if you use indicator, you still need to learn how to use candlestick psychology, right? Because without it, you cannot have a accurate entry. Your entry need to be very sharp in binary option, very sharp, and candlestick psychology is the only way to have a sharp entry. Nice. All right, pay attention here. You see this momentum coming down, 1 2 3 4. Remember, guys, we look for momentums after 3 consecutive candles in the same direction, and we saw that the last candle, it closes very good. You notice how big this candle was compared to the other 3. This means that sellers picked up momentum even more. You see what I'm saying? And this is why I say to you guys that you need to kind of use just some common sense, right, when trading, because trading requires logical thinking, not just random thoughts. Logical thinking and knowledge about the market, because if I didn't know that this was a strong candle here, I wouldn't take this trade, or if I took it, I would win and I wouldn't know why I win. You see what I'm saying? And this is why I think so much about candlestick psychology, because it shows you when a level is strong and when a candle is strong or weak. Okay? Nice. My entry is a little bit bad, but guys, pay attention. You see how this week beat the previous week right here, even though this week is very small. But I'm trying to show you that there was a week here and the price closed green, and now this week right here at the top, I'm expecting the price to go higher, because usually wicks try to be filled also, like the price try to touch the other wick and stuff like that. And I'm using all these knowledge and combining it together to take my trades, okay? And if you pay attention very well, this week is very huge, so I know this will be a very strong green candle right here, and that's the reason why I didn't care about the late entry that much. But still, guys, try to have the best entry as possible, because it helps in the long run, okay? And this trade is going to result in a winning trade. Beautiful. I almost missed this, guys. Yeah, what I was saying previously was, whenever you're trading and you understand candlestick psychology, your confidence increase. All right. If you're trading and you don't understand candlestick psychology, your confidence will be very, very low and you won't take proper trades. See what I'm saying? And that's the thing why education in trading is very crucial, because this is a career and it's not gambling. All right, and you have to stop look at it as if it's just a casino. You just go and press up and down. No, it's about understanding where the market is really going. If you want to really take this trading thing serious, you have to learn and you have to want to learn also. Okay, because it's a career and it's one of the career that pays the most money in the world. So I think it's worth learning, right? Think about it. Right, guys. Right here we have a engulfing candle, and we know that with engulfing candle the price usually likes to go in that same direction sometimes, and I'm taking advantage of the gap also, which was right here. Remember guys, gaps are imbalance in the market. Okay, so this means that sellers or buyers are imbalance, so usually the gap will try to fill the imbalance so that the market can become balanced. All right, and this is the reason why gap is so good, because it shows you imbalance and balance, and you can take advantage of it. You can use it with candlestick pattern, candlestick psychology, everything you name it. You can combine with gaps. All right, and I have a discount entry which is very good. So let's see what's gonna happen. Come on, beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, see here. Okay, guys, this gap right here was very small. It wasn't a big gap. Let me see something. We're in an uptrend, so we are with the momentum. So we're on the side of the market already, and we have a 3 bar going higher. Okay, and when I emphasize about candlestick psychology, guys, if you're trading and you don't know candlestick psychology, you're basically guessing. And it doesn't matter even if you use indicators, candlestick psychology is a must. Even if you trade forex, futures, stocks, gold, whatever you do, crypto, you need candlestick psychology, because you cannot enter correctly without knowing candlestick psychology. It's impossible, because you don't know what to look for. Nice. So we have, let me take a $3,000 trade on this one, because this gap is very huge. I think this is the biggest gap I saw since my trading session. So I know that this one here is going to be a sure shot, because due to the market condition, I can see that gaps are very favorable, I should say, right? So I know that the price will continue in my direction for at least 1 to 2 candles, and yeah, and I'm relying on that. As you guys can also see, again, I get a very nice discount entry right here, and the price is moving fruitfully, and yeah, consistently in my direction. And I love to trade candlestick psychology. To be honest with you, I only trade indicators so that people who love indicators could have a indicator strategy, but candlestick psychology is the king. And candlestick psychology and price action is basically the same thing. Candlestick psychology is just a little bit more superior though. That's the difference. Okay guys, I'm taking this right here for 3 trades. This is an inside gap. Oh shoot, I didn't realize that the price was closing. But it's okay though, because this gap will try to be filled regardless if this candle fill it or the other candle. And if you notice very well, this was an engulfing candle, this was a retracement for it. Okay, and now the price is trying to fill the gap that it didn't fill previously. Okay, let me see something. Yeah, so the gap is trying to fill right now, guys. If you notice, you see the price coming down because there's an imbalance right there, and the gap need to be filled so the market can become balanced once more, and then it might move in its desired direction after that. Okay, and when we combine all our knowledge and everything we know about candlestick psychology, candlestick patterns, gaps, and levels, we know for sure that this trade is a sure shot. And that's why you are confident when you're trading. Beautiful. This is an engulfing candle combined with the gap down right here, and the engulfing candle is a continuation sign also because of candlestick psychology. I can tell that, and yeah, I'm with the trend also. Everything is in my favor, so I go for 3,000 on this one, a little bit riskier than the previous trades, and this is a thing, guys. When you know candlestick psychology and you understand why the market moves, your confidence will go right through the roof. You'll be so super confident in the market. You will know when to go heavy, you will know when to go like minimal and be like risk averse, and then you will know when to be like extra risky based on your knowledge. And all of these knowledge only comes from learning and practicing. Okay, this trade is gonna be a winning trade, guys. Beautiful. If this video didn't suit you guys, I have a playlist you can watch with different strategies, price action, candlestick pattern, indicator, candlestick psychology, everything. Check the playlist, and whatever you like there you can watch. And yes, this will be the end of the video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.